Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. How are you guys doing today? I know, I'm wearing a very neutral eye look. What is going on? Well, I have a different job where I can't wear as crazy as makeup as I wish I could right now. But don't worry, my crazy makeup looks are not going to go away. I have to do them. They are my life. Well, anyway, we are here to talk about my top 3 favorite highlighters, highlighting palettes that are in my collection. So I really was thinking about this last night going, gosh, there are only, and I have several other highlighters, but there are only a few that I'm really like, I need this highlighter in my life, and we're going to talk about them. The first one here is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Preseco Pop. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and this is the very first time that I have ever tried anything from Becca Cosmetics, and I have fallen in love with this highlighter. I am wearing it today. I like to use it for more of my natural kind of days because it is that neutral goldy highlight. You can really build it up, or you can leave it where it's just kind of a nice sheen on your cheeks like I have today. It is a very soft pressed highlighter, so you do have to be careful of it in terms of dropping it because you don't want to break this. But it is, I would say, out of the 3 that I have today, it is definitely number 3. Next is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. I absolutely love this glow kit. I like to use these highlighters more for inner corner highlights and things of that nature. I will wear Spectra on my cheeks and things, but I usually use these for my inner corners. I like that they are so different in terms of where I like to use them as far as that goes. I will also use a couple of these for brow bone highlights. It just depends on the looks I'm doing. But if I'm going to do a funky color, I'm going to reach for this to do my inner corner and my brow bone highlight because these are just a lot of fun. I mean, come on. Spectra is my favorite though. It's like that gray purple, and it's just fun. And I've really enjoyed this since I got it. I know that I have the Backlight highlight palette from ABH Cosmetics, but I've found that I reach for this more than I do my Backlight one, which is kind of a shocker because I do like that one. This one just has slightly different shades than that one does. Next up, and if you guys don't know what my number 1 favorite highlighter is in my collection, where have you been? My favorite, all-time favorite highlighting palette is definitely the BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette. I absolutely love this highlighting palette. I love the shades. Now these are blinding. They are not for the faint of heart. My absolute favorite shade in here though is this shade here, Vivid, and I am trying to pan that one. I also like Allure, but Vivid is the one that I'll reach for the most. It is a very pinky highlight. I mean, these things are blinding. But this is my all-time favorite. This is the one that I reach for the most out of my entire collection. This is the one that I use constantly, and I'm surprised I have not hit pan on any of the shades yet. I do have quite the little divot in Vivid as well as Ethereal. But this is definitely one of my favorites and one that I completely recommend. If you are a person who loves a very blinding highlight, then this palette is for you. Well, thank you guys so much for stopping by for this quick little highlighting video. I do hope you enjoyed it. What are some of your favorite highlights? Leave those down below. I'm always curious as to what highlights people really do like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you and bye!